When people ask you questions, if you continually just answer for people, they will just keep coming back to you and asking more questions and expecting you to submit the answer, which it's okay to ask questions, but you need to train your team to be able to answer them on their own so that you don't become the bottleneck. And, oh, our CEO or my manager's out today. Do I need to send her a text, or I'm going to wait to deal with this until tomorrow or until she's back for vacation? Or I'm going to bug her on vacation, whatever it is. So if you act like a toddler when people come to you and they say, how do I do X, Y, Z? I don't know. How would you do it? And ask them to come up with what would they do if I wasn't here. So you learn to train them that way. The other tactic too that has really helped is the 1-3-1 tactic. For anyone who's not familiar, that's when someone comes to you with a problem. You don't want your team coming to you just with problems all the time. You want them to bring their one problem and then come with 3 potential solutions or options to deal with the problem. And then they tell you, okay, here's my one problem. Here are the 3 possible solutions. And then here's the one that I think we should go with. So they even say what they think is best and why. And then you as the manager or the CEO can either agree with them and say, that's absolutely right, but then they could have done it by themselves, and it helps increase their confidence too. Or you tell them, actually, you can handle it, I'd handle it this way. And then you're helping to train them again so that you can be replaced. And those are some of the tricks that I've learned that helped me be able to buy back more of my time and freedom as an entrepreneur, which you really can't do as a manager or a CEO if you're a bottleneck.
Yeah, absolutely. That's a wonderful framework to empower us.